Hello guys,
Hello.
and welcome back to the channel.
And today we are going to show you the top 5 keto movie snacks we like on the movies. We are on the new Avengers movie starting very soon, and we try to get some keto snacks.
Exactly, and going to the movies and keto can be really hard because for the movie theater
There is only sugar.
There is only sugar and carbs. She actually found one item that is, it says it's a sugar-free.
Yeah, and it's only like 2.4 gram of sugar. Like it's the closest I could get.
But I would bet you that the rest that is carbs on it is sugar alcohol, so it's actually completely fine. I just have to.
Anyhow, this will take more than half of my carb intake of a day if I am at 20.
No, it doesn't. It's sugar alcohol.
Ah, perfect.
So
I could buy 5 of them.
Yeah, exactly. So it is actually only
Okay,
2.9 net carbs.
So try to find some sugar-free chocolate. I can just fit this into my pocket. It's so small.
Exactly. So what is the other stuff that we bought? As I said, when you go to the movies, you can get insane cravings, but those cravings, as I have experienced, is not necessarily because you want sugar. It's that you're so used to eating when you go to the movies. So don't try to go to the movies and not eat anything. I think the best is that you actually just load up on different awesome keto snacks.
So this is one of my favorites. This is salami with cheese sticks, and this is like bacon type of ham with cheese sticks. So this is my absolute favorite for the movies. Totally keto, perfect.
By the way, I don't know if you guys have these products because we are in Sweden and this is,
yeah, but
I
you
think,
can have cheese. In the US they have a lot of cheese sticks.
Yeah,
I'm
for sure.
so jealous of this. I love cheese sticks and it's so hard to find here.
Exactly. So these items are just to give you ideas.
And then we bought these small cheeses. They are quite small and it's super yummy tasty. You can fit it into your product.
I ate this in the US. So.
Okay, fine. But I love that.
Yeah, they are awesome.
This is our new addiction, Diet Coke. We never really drink Diet Coke, or I do, but...
And it's really bad. Don't do it because even though that it's like no calories or no carbs, it still spikes your insulin really bad. And if you're new on the keto diet, like we have been quite long on the keto diet, then when your insulin goes up, you're going to start getting cravings and you're going to give in to your cravings and then go off the diet. This is bad, but
yeah,
it's a movie night.
I can drink one of these and it doesn't really do anything. I don't crave sugar, so it's quite okay for me. Then I got salami snacks and sliced up version is also favorites for me on keto.
And then here is the nerdiest
This is
of
advanced
all.
level of keto.
This is the nerdiest of all. I don't think any of this you can take into the movie theater
but we
because
will put it in a bag so nobody's gonna notice it.
We're going to totally sneak in.
So when you
don't tell anyone. It's our perfect prank.
And we will sit there with the sun. But when you go to the movies, take a bag and put everything in it.
So basically this is when you know that you're a keto nerd. Me and Yvette went to this store and I was looking for like keto stuff that I can have on the movies, and then I saw this salad, make it yourself salad bar, and I just became like so happy and excited, and I was like, oh my god, I'm going to have this nice salad when I'm going to the movie. And yeah, very nerdish.
Yeah, and another favorite is pork rinds. We couldn't get this here in the movie theater, but it's a favorite. When we are home, we take it.
Exactly.
Okay,
so this is about it. I mean, there's lots of other stuff that you can have, which we didn't find in the store or we didn't have here.
This
but
is
it's
just basic
to
ideas.
Give you an idea how to survive the movies when you're on keto. And I really hope you guys will subscribe to this channel. You can just hit this button that is here.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, make sure you visit our website, and we will see you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao.
Bye.